Setting up a dealer leaderboard in ConduLoop now takes about a minute. Here's how. On your rankings page, choose Start from a template. Then pick one: a sales leaderboard, a units leaderboard, or a regional contest. Give it a name and type the period you want shown. It is just a label, so use whatever suits, like calendar year 2026 or a financial year. Download the sheet. It is one row per outlet with a single number to fill in. No dates, no product codes. Upload it back, and ConduLoop ranks your outlets straight away. Check the standings. You can preview the board as any dealer before you share it. When it looks right, publish, and your dealers are notified. Need to change a number later? Fix the sheet and publish a fresh period. Each upload is its own snapshot, so nothing is ever added twice. That is your scoreboard, live. And this is exactly what they see when they log in, where they stand, and their tier.